Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So disclaimer, if y'all hear all this noise, weird noise behind me or just in the video, it's my dog. He over here chewing my nice pillows too and messing up my lights. Roman, stop. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how big he got. Come here. Come here. God, he's like jumped. Oh my god. This is him from, oh my god, he got so big. Oh my goodness. This, like, he got so big, y'all. This is what I'm dealing with. He's, oh my god, stop. Stop it. I do my makeup, Roman. Stop. You know, this one will never pick you up. He's just so loving. Hey, look at the camera, Roman. Look. Oh my god. Look at this. He's so big. Look at this. And y'all, I work at PetSmart now, so I get so many deals off for him, and I love it. He's so cute. He's legit like laying his head on my neck. Look at this. How cute is this, y'all? He's so big though, so yeah, it's time for you to get down. Yeah. So I work at PetSmart, y'all, and I've been working and trying to do videos at the same time, but I get a lot of perks, especially with him, so I'm excited. On that note, let me fix my light. He's just messing up so much stuff. But today we are doing a makeup video because y'all, I restocked. Oh my god, stop! And I'm leaving it in the video. Y'all see where he literally just jumped up here, messing up my makeup. I'm gonna let him out the room in a minute. But y'all, I restocked. We have foundation. I have 2 concealers. I'm trying a new one too. It's called Suede. It look a little bit lighter, but I think it'll mix with the fawn. Also, I got finally the eyeliner I was looking for. Geez, why can I not say that? I got the eyeliner I was looking for. I made a trip to Ulta after work. I worked a little bit today. And I was like, let me go and see if they got it. They got the one I was looking for. I don't like the only one. I went to the local hair store to get it last time, and they only had the marker. This is the brush. It's perfect. So definitely recommend, because you could just do a perfect swoosh and it drops so pretty. I don't have to use eyeshadow, which I still might because I always like that look anyway. So on that note, we are going to be working with some lime greens today. I'm going to do a really nice look on my Morphe 35M palette. So let's get right into this video. That was a long intro, but y'all see what I'm dealing with. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I set my eyes and I did my eyebrows off camera. So I like this, I use Fawn. I really like this concealer on my eyes. It sets perfectly, and I went on and did my powder. So now we're going to go in with our eyeshadow. We are using 35M. This is one of my favorite palettes. I'm using these up here, and we're going to use like a dark green for the outside. I'm going to use that for my Trending in Tokyo palette just because it's super bright. So I always start with I do the outside last, and I always do the color that goes on my lid first, just to get it out the way, plus it look good. So I really hope this brush can do the work. So I'm actually going to take the color Express Yourself, and because it's a really pretty green, I'm going to mix that with the green beside it, which is Stroke of Luck, as these do. I'm going to be mixing these two together. So the color was really darker than I thought. I forgot. I haven't used this color in a while. So I was like, oh, it's like a grunge green. But it was all good. I ended up using a shimmer at the end of all of this, y'all. And I ended up mixing 2 colors. Also one from my Trending in Tokyo palette, which I'm going to show in a minute. I ended up mixing that with it as well. And it looked really good. So I really like how this turned out. I just put the shimmer on top next, which made everything work out. Because I was like, I need to get this color lighter. I'm not trying to go for a dark look, but it all worked out at the end of the day. That's what matters. It was still cute. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to blend with the bamboo. Now, this is very risky because it's like a teal green. So we just going to see what we can do. I'm winging it, y'all. I really just wanted a darker green on the outside rather than like black or something, but let's see what we can do. It's funny because I feel like that color, I was only making it darker and it looked good with that green, but once I put the shimmer on, because I didn't put it on yet, it still worked out for the best. Y'all, it looked like it went like really dark grunge. It's so funny because I just kept going, but at the same time, I fixed it. So that's all that matters. You know, you just learn from your mistakes, because that teal green did not make it brighter. It actually made it darker. Okay, so this is not lime green. I don't have any like bright greens. That's crazy. But you know what? I'm okay. I make anything work. We're actually going to go in. And I kind of want to do some shimmer on my eyes, like the shimmer color. I'm trying to see how to look with my hand. So kind of want that on my eyes. So I'm going to try to put that just at the beginning of it. See what we can do, y'all. I'm winging it like I always do sometimes. This worked out so much better, y'all. It's like a thick cream shimmer in my Morphe palette. It's so pretty, and it definitely made the green pop. The lime green, what this color was, it made it pop. Now we're gonna blend. Now I'm just trying to bring it to the side a little bit. I'm gonna actually hold it by the outside so I don't blend too hard. I swear blending takes so long, y'all, but you know what? It'd be worth it at the end of the day. I made sure I blend just in the middle, just so it don't get on my whole lid. I wanted to keep it forward, mainly in the front part, and just have it blend out to the side, and that's exactly what I do. That's why you hold it on the end so you're not blending roughly. You want to lightly blend it so it blends out evenly. I'm so excited to do my liner, y'all, because I have been looking for this one and could never find it because I never went into Ulta. I just kept going to the hair store. That was a problem. I knew I should have just stuck to my makeup store. Yeah, I wouldn't even imagine the amount of editing I have to do just because I speed it up, cut unnecessary stuff, and because y'all don't want me to hear, y'all don't want to see me sit in silence. I don't want to see it either because this was like normally a 25-minute video, but you know, I do my work and I can cut this down a lot because it's just me doing nothing. Like, who just wants to, I don't get how people just want to like look at somebody do liner for like 20 minutes. Who do that? Mine went 20 minutes, but I'm just saying. Okay, y'all, so I finished my liner, and I love the brush because you can go as dramatic as you want, and it's so easy to use it. The marker is like you have to go over it, and it look weird because you have to fill it in, and it's just like, it take too much time, and I'm putting shea butter on my lip shell. Lips feeling a little dry, but I love it because you can get as dramatic as you want with the liner, with the brush liner. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation. Oop, new one. Let's open it. I throw my other one away because it's dried out belt. It's like I needed this. This is the matte poreless. I actually didn't know I grabbed the matte one, but it's the only one they had in my shade. I think the other one was just gone. Come on. I should have shook this first. Yeah, I'm not. Oh, actually, you know what? How did I forget to do this anyway, y'all? Let me oil my face. The parts that don't have makeup on it. I'm using matte, which I know I don't typically use it, but it's okay. We're just gonna make it do. It's funny because I didn't even know I had the matte foundation, y'all, until like I did this video. I was like, wait, what? But you know what? I don't normally get it because I don't like how dry it look. But with the concealer and me setting my face, as long as you highlight your face if you want, it can always look good. So it looked amazing. I'm not mad at it though. So we're using a new color, which is suede. It's a little bit lighter, I think, so we're gonna see. I'm mixing this with my fawn. Y'all ain't missing nothing I'm saying in this part. I was just amazed at how pretty this color was. It's very tan, but you know, I love a good tan with like a low color because the fawn is like not so tan. That color right there is a suede. I put more of the suede on there. I love how it turned out. It blended out so good, and that's all I can ask for with concealer because it's a full coverage. So total coverage, full coverage, you know, you look for it to cover everything. And that's the good thing about this concealer. I love LA Girl concealer so much. You guys should get it if you don't got it. It's affordable. So that blended out really good. I love how this look. It looked really pretty. It's perfect on my skin. And y'all, I forgot to get powder. But I do have mine. It's just mine is broken up and I really need to get some more. It's always a good feeling when you have exactly what you need. Because like, I was like, how am I gonna do a video when if I can't get concealer right now or foundation? I was trying to see when I was gonna go. But I didn't think I was going to be recording today. But I was like, I got off at 1, so I was like, of course I was going to record. I'm going with one of those grunge green colors. And I'm going to also do my blacken my waterline to give it some depth. Like, I feel like I'm going to do black on my waterline every time I do my makeup now. I love black on my waterline now, y'all. I just can't stop doing it. It make everything look so much better, especially when your under eye is too light. It just brings so much depth to it. So now every time I do my under eye, I have to do it, y'all. I just got to it. My eye was burning right there, y'all, because I had that brush that I still got in my eye. But I do it. It's an easy step. I just use a sponge, and I use eyeshadow for mine. You can use a pencil, obviously, but this is easy for me. Now we got that done. I'm going to go in with the corners of my eyes and do my blush as well. So I'm going to get in my highlighter palette. Just a little pink. There we go. So now I am gonna set this, do my mascara. You guys will see the finished look afterwards. And this is the finished look, guys. So I took off my black turtleneck to put on my black sweater turtleneck because it had too much hair and makeup on it. I was like, let me get a clean look, guys. So this is a look. Let me zoom in for you guys, or let me get closer for you guys. All I did was do my mascara and, you know, what's it called? Set it, lip gloss, earrings, and we're ready to go. I think this color is really cute though, but I'm just trying to get the videos coming for you guys because I don't want to let work distract me from my videos. I don't be too tired to do videos, so that's a good thing. I love recording. I'm just trying to get used to recording later because I'm so used to recording. I normally record in the daytime, but the good thing about this is that I don't mind recording at night. It's not night right now, it's like 3 o'clock, but I can't record at night because I have lighting equipment that, like, it looks like this in my room every day when I do my lights. I like shut my windows so I don't, because I don't want the outside light. I like my studio lights, so I don't mind recording at night. And later it's just like depending on the time I upload, because I'm gonna be uploading this video later today, so I'm just trying to get used to that. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. It was really fun to do. I love this color. I was going for lime green. I didn't have no lime greens. That just told me that I need to order some more makeup. Be on the lookout soon. New makeup haul coming, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.